Hi everyone, this is Antonio from Ningbo MH Company. Here, I would like to introduce MH hook and loop for you. Hook and loop, as popularly named as Velcro. The main materials have 100% nylon, which is A grade, nylon polyester mixed, which is B grade, 100% polyester, which is C grade, with different size 1.5 centimeter to 10 centimeters. This is standard hook and loop. The hook tape is rough, scratchy, and the loop tape is soft, fuzzy. When tucked together, has strong adhesion. We also have ejection hook, brushed loop, elastic hook and loop, self-adhesive hook and loop, back-to-back Velcro tape, and so on. It's widely used in clothing, shoes, hats. You can see this, and leather goods, furniture, medical equipment, fitness equipment, military supplies, and other industries. There are also finished hook and loop straps for tying cable or luggage. Welcome to choose MH hook and loop tape. We have advantage in complete varieties and reliable quality. Heat resistance softening point 180 degrees. Fusion contact even 215 degrees. High cold resistance can be used at -35 degrees. Durability can be used repeatedly. Great A peeling times are more than 2,000 times, with the tensile force maintaining not less than 85%. Excellent color fastness. We have oeko-tex 100 Standard Class 1 certificate, and we also have ready color card with 75 colors. Customized color also welcomed. Thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in garment accessories product, please contact us. We have various accessories products. Here is our contact information.